Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is AUDI and today is all about the Audi SQ5 that we've upgraded with a dash camera solution. So what is the particular product that we've added onto this vehicle? So this is the Thinkware U1000 dash camera. It is an absolutely phenomenal 4K image quality wide angle lens at the front of that camera. Looks absolutely exceptional at the front of the vehicle as well. Gives you great vision, plus keeps you protected, but not only when driving, and I'll go through that in a little bit later, because this actually car is now protected while parked as well. In terms of the solution, this is all completely hardwired into the vehicle, so everything is hidden. You've also got a full camera run all the way, cable run all the way to the back, which has the rear camera giving you great coverage, again, protecting the vehicle while driving as well as parked. And a bit about being parked. So with dash camera solutions, there's a couple of different options available to you. We can hardwire these into the vehicle so they just work with your engine on. However, if you want to have that all-round protection and protect the vehicle when parked as well against things like supercar dinks and dents, but also just people looking around the car, obviously, like this vehicle, absolutely gorgeous, but you have people with prying eyes and also people that get jealous. To protect you guys against people keying the car, dinking or denting it, it's really important you have the battery system solution. It's always my recommendation. The battery is something called a Thinkware iVolt mini battery, and that gets completely hidden away, so all you see is the front camera and the rear camera, and that is it. The system, basically the way it works is it basically all powers, the dash camera is all powered from that little battery. And the way it works is basically as you drive the car, your engine is on, that's inputting charge into that little battery. The battery then holds that charge and disperses that over to the camera system itself. But as soon as you turn off your car, park up overnight or in a supermarket or shopping center, as soon as you turn it off, basically that battery that we've installed is still powering that dash cam. So 45 minutes of driving gives you 16 hours of parking mode on the other side. So absolutely phenomenal. Gives you that extra peace of mind that you've kind of got CCTV around your vehicle. We do quite a few different options, guys. So if you're interested in having this solution or one of our other options that we do for dash cams, just feel free to reach out to us. All our details is in the description below, but drop us a message. I'll be happy to send over the full price list to you, all the different options from high all the way to low. But this is a really cool, nice solution and one of the ones I recommend. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Smash that subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next episode.